Welcome back to SRC.
It's Space Week,
And today we'll be reading Laura's Star by Klaus Bogmar.
and we will also be making a fun count and throw moon rock game.
Today we'll be reading Laura's Star by Klaus Baumgart, and this book is published by Little Tiger Press.
If you'd like to listen to Laura's Star, click in the link in the description below.
Hey guys, welcome back to Space Week. Today we are doing moon rock count and throw. Let's get started.
For this activity, you will need a basket or bin, aluminum foil, a Sharpie or a pen, and pre-cut pieces of paper or scissors and paper. First, you're going to start by numbering your pieces of paper 1 through 10. Next, you're going to cut 10 pieces of aluminum foil and crinkle them into balls, and then put them in your basket or bin. Next, fold your 10 pieces of paper in half so that you cannot see what you're drawing out of the bowl.
Hey guys, we're all done our moon rock count and throw. Now go play. Thanks for tuning in.